There are always things that you can do to speed up your results and to maximize. We'll go through every single point that comes up when you're trying to lose weight and you're unsuccessful. And you may just need one of these points to crack the case and lose weight like you want to. Now, that being said, what I'm going to show you is a bit extreme, but some people need to go to this level to see the results that they need. If our goal is to get you into fat burning and get your body to run on as much fat calories as we can, there's a great measurement of ketones to be able to see that through your blood. Okay, you can measure ketones, get a little ketone device and check, not the urine, but the blood. So it goes on the scale right here, and you'll probably never really see above 3 unless you do several other things, which I'm going to explain. You'll usually stay between 1, 2, and maybe 3 if you do keto and intermittent fasting, okay? But when you add more exercise, more hardcore exercise, it'll go a little bit deeper. The numbers going up are deeper ketosis, right? And then if we add prolonged fasting, okay, we can see higher and higher numbers depending on how many days that you fast for. Now, sometimes people are concerned about ketoacidosis if it gets too high, like 9.5 to 10, right? Which you're getting the ketoacidosis. This condition only happens if you are a type 1 diabetic and you have no more insulin and you're not regulating your blood sugars or you forget to take your insulin, whatever. So if you're producing insulin, you're never going to get to this level, okay? So I just wanted to show you this. What I'm going to show you is how to go as high as you can right up through here, doing other things, okay, including exercise and prolonged fasting. And what you're going to see in the majority of this video is things you're not going to do, okay, versus doing certain things, okay? You're going to be avoiding things. That's going to create the biggest change, okay? So number 1, dropping your carbs close to 0. So that means not consuming any berries or nuts unless you consume macadamia nuts. No yogurt, there's sugar in yogurt. No kefir. No carrots, beets, corn, squash, peas, or tomatoes. You can do leafy greens, but I wouldn't do these, okay? The closer you can get your carbs to 0, the more ketones we're going to generate. Number 2, no extra fat, okay, with the meal. So that means no MCT oil. Why? Because your body's going to use this before it uses your own fat reserve. No bulletproof coffee, okay, which is basically MCT oil and butter in your coffee. No keto bombs. Right after, these little desserts right after your meal, just don't eat those, okay? And especially if if you buy them, because they stick all these different ingredients in them, but we don't want to add more fat than necessary. You only want to consume the fat that comes with the protein. And I wouldn't add anything in your coffee either. Just drink black coffee. So no half and half or no cream at this stage. I'm just going through all the things that potentially could slow you down a little bit, okay? And if you add all these things together, you're pretty much guaranteed success. Okay,